My turn.
Mel, what's twerking?
Now do the back. Turn the move.
What's with the tongue, Kenzie?
I don't know.
What's with your tongue?
Start it raining. I got grass.
Kenzie. Daddy's gonna love this video.
No! Not Daddy!
Thunder!
Okay, my turn. My turn. Daddy!
Oh, it's pouring now.
Yay! It's Daddy doing too. It's raining again. Let's do a dance! Number one. I got a computer.
Bradley, what's twerking mean?
Bradley, do this. It's this. Quack, quack. Quack, quack. No, this Bradley. This is twerking. Kenzie can twerk better than me. That's weird.
Bradley, show me how you twerk.
Kind of Granny have a date. My turn. That's my turn. And then it's my turn. Let's get back into the ocean. Now turn around. Stop. Now it's my turn. Your booty.
Stop with the tongue.
No. Wait, I can do it without. It's easier with
Kenzie.
My turn. Let me be the front now. Ooh, train. Where? I can just hear one, Mel.
Police.
An ambulance. My turn. Now do the back.
Mackenzie, this time last year, you were getting surgery.
On this day. And what is still not doing?
Isn't today much better?
Yes. Instead of you being in the hospital getting surgery. Mommy said it. My turn. What a beautiful day. Don't do talking! That's my thing! Talking! Day ever. It's the best day ever. I can do that better than you. What is the question of the day for water? It's fun. It's twerking. Okay, what would you rather do? Play in the water while it's thundering and lightning, or kill her, get hurt by doing jumping off a roof while it's pouring rain? Those are your two options for questions of the day. Don't leave! Mommy! Don't send this to Daddy. Mommy, film me. Don't send this to Daddy. Don't send this to Daddy. She can send it to me. I can send it to Daddy. Daddy can send it to all of his friends. Then all of his friends can send it to all of their friends. Then all of their friends can send it to all of their friends. And then all
You can't see your feet.
Send that to me. Send that to me.